Hi everyone, in this video you will learn to crochet this cute Pinterest inspired spiderweb headband. This is very beginner friendly tutorial and very easy to make. First of all, start by making a slip knot like this. We are going to make a magic ring. For making a magic ring, create a circle like this. Now go into the circle, grab the yarn and pull it through the circle. It will create a loop. Now chain 3 for making a chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop on hook. This is chain 1. Keep the smaller end of yarn on the side where you are going to crochet. Now chain 2 more. This is chain 3 now. Now make double crochet stitch. Yarn over, go into the circle. Yarn over, pull through the circle. Now there will be 3 loops on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. For the next stitch, yarn over, go into the circle. Yarn over, pull through that circle. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. This is second double crochet stitch. Make 8 more double crochet stitches in the ring. Now there are 10 double crochet stitches plus chain 3. Now close the ring. Now for closing the ring, slip stitch on the top of first double crochet stitch. This one. For making a slip stitch, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch and pull through the loop on hook. The loop was a bit loose here. Now for second round, chain 7. Now for this round, skip one stitch, this one, and make double crochet stitch in the next one. After making double crochet stitch, chain 4 and then skip one stitch and make stitch in the next one. The chain 3 we made at the start will act as double crochet stitch. For this round there will be chain 4 between double crochet stitches. Now chain 4 for the last stitch and then slip stitch on the top of chain 3 of the first stitch, this one. Go on the top of stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch and pull through the loop on hook 2. Now for the round 3, there will be chain 7 between each double crochet stitch, but for the first stitch there will be chain 3 plus chain 6. So chain 9 now. And now after making double crochet stitch, there is something different. Chain 3 now, and then slip stitch on the top of DC stitch. This will give a spider web a little bit more structure. Chain 7 now, this round is same as round 2, just you have to make chain 3 and slip stitch on the top of each DC stitch. Now the web is complete. Just make knots and then chain the number you want for the ties, and then chain 60 for making a tie. Also don't cut this yarn and hide it in between stitches. Now I'm going to chain 60. Now the one side is complete. For making the other side, I am attaching a separate yarn on this side. I have already made a slip knot. Now just yarn over and pull it through the loop and then chain 60. Now I am just going to hide the yarn ends using a needle. For hiding yarn, you just have to go between different stitches, make knots, and when you know it is very tight and won't unravel, you can cut it.